Why do you need a mentor in your career? Number one, your mentor can give you the right direction. You may be putting a lot of efforts, but if you put it in the wrong direction, you will not get results. So that is where the role of mentor is important, to give you the right direction. They help you identify your mistakes so that you can stop making it. Sometimes you may not be even realizing you're making a mistake. That is where the role of mentor is very critical. They've seen so many people and they can guide you where you are making mistakes. A mentor will connect you to the right people and the right network. It's important that you are connected with the right kind of people, and that is where a mentor's role comes into picture, where he can connect you to the right network of his or hers, and you will be able to accelerate your career growth because of the people he helps you surround yourself with. So this is why your mentor and your career coach is very, very critical in your life.